Hi, I'm Bill Ritchie. Imagine you're in an escape game. This is, of course, a room that's locked, and your task is to escape. You're an artist, and your people you're with includes 6 other people, a scientist, a technologist, a reading and writing expert, an engineer. You're the artist, a musician, and an expert in numeracy, a mathematician. And the door locks, and you're faced with this stuff, various kinds of, hi, oh, look at Hannah. You look great. I'll see you later. I got busy. See you later. She's my, never mind. So you have all these articles, and you have to escape. And so one of the things you do is you confer with your artificial intelligence, or I like to say intelligent assistant. And that's what I did. I went on ChatGPT and I said, write a ditty, a little poem or something like that describes this escape game, and this is what came out of it. I'll just read it to you. Within a room, the pressmakers gather, their creation a tribute to Rembrandt, the master. Locked in with the press, a challenge awaits as Rembrandt's spirit appears and illuminates. The ghostly presence of Rembrandt descends, his etchings legendary, his talent transcends. With a mischievous grin, he poses a test, a riddle to solve, to prove themselves best. Etchings I've made with lines so fine, capturing life, moments divine. In my prints, secrets are concealed, hidden within a treasure revealed. Which scene I have etched so renowned, unveil the answer and freedom is found. The scientist observes with analytical insight, studying Rembrandt's techniques, striving to ignite the knowledge of the etching, chemical reactions explored, uncovering clues as mysteries are adored. The technician examines the press with precision, analyzing plate textures, seeking a visual vision, adjusting inks and tools, their properties scrutinized, recreating Rembrandt's craft, etching realized. The literacy mentor delves into art's lore, researching Rembrandt's themes, seeking more, unraveling symbols, deciphering hidden codes, interpreting narratives where secrets erode. The engineer dissects the mechanisms with skill, understanding the press, exploring its thrill, optimizing pressure, improving ink distribution, enhancing the etching process, a technological fusion. The artist studies Rembrandt's lines and strokes, embracing the style as inspiration evokes, emulating its mastery, recreating his grace. Through their own etchings, they leave a trace. The musician listens to the rhythm in Rembrandt's art, harmonizing melodies that play a vital part, composing an ode to the scenes that are depicted, unveiling the essence as music interdicted. The mathematician analyzes the composition's portions, unraveling patterns renowned. Geometry harmonizes as symmetries unfold, unearthing Rembrandt's vision, a story untold. Together they collaborate, their knowledge combines, their collective expertise intertwines. The riddle unravels, the answer takes form. Their unity unlocks the door, a triumph born. As the solution reverberates through the space, the lock mechanism releases, granting their embrace. The door swings open, freedom is restored. Rembrandt's spirit applauds, their dedication adored. United by their passion, their craftsmanship unites, They've paid homage to Rembrandt's eternal lights. Released from the room, their spirits elate, forever inspired by Rembrandt's etchings, innate. In their collaboration, they've honored the past by creating a press where Rembrandt's art will last. A legacy of etchings, their efforts combined, continuing the lineage, etching's boundless grind. Now, what I didn't mention was the fact that we have the next addition to these presses, which I intend to be part of the escape game, a little recording device that allows me to put 8 minutes, about the length of the thing I just read to you, on this card, and the card gets hidden somewhere in one of these press designs. Another thing I didn't mention was the Raspberry Pi. Now, these are clues, these are items that you find in my space right now as I try to solve this riddle of how to escape this game. Thanks for watching.